People are going backwards. Not skill-wise, not experience-wise, but bike-wise. People who used to ride big touring rigs are suddenly on mid-sized bikes. Sport bike riders ditching leader bikes. And the crazy part, they're not disappointed about it. They're actually happier. For the longest time, we've all been sold the same idea. Bigger bikes, better rider. More power, more tech, more money. That's the goal, right? You move up. But lately, I've been noticing something different. More riders are saying, yeah, I don't need all that anymore. Even on a personal level, I'm thinking of downsizing. Something that's a little bit more manageable for off the beaten path, something that's insured for a much more reasonable price. And let's just call it what it is. Motorcycles are getting stupid expensive. For some new big ones, we're talking $25,000, $30,000, even more. And even more once you add gear, insurance, and mods. And for what? To ride to work? To sit in traffic? Maybe open it up for 10 seconds before you hit the next red light? At some point, people start asking, why am I paying this much for something that I barely use to its potential? Because here's something nobody wants to say out loud. Most riders don't ride like they think they do. We imagine twisty mountain roads, perfect corners, full throttle freedom. Reality, traffic, stoplights, speed limits, bad drivers. So now you've got this insane machine that you're using at like 30% of what it can actually do. And suddenly, a smaller bike starts looking really appealing. This is where it flips. A lot of riders are realizing something. It's actually more fun to ride a slower bike fast than a fast bike slow. Mid-sized bikes, smaller engines. They're lighter, more nimble. You can actually push them a bit without feeling like you're about to launch into orbit. And that feeling, that's what most of us got into riding for in the first place. Not numbers, not specs, just fun. There's another shift happening too. People don't want a garage full of bikes, a huge payment, constant upgrades. They want one bike that does everything. Commute, weekend ride, maybe a road trip. And guess what? That bike usually isn't a massive touring rig or a 200 horsepower missile. And I get it, because the longer you ride, the more you start realizing it's not about impressing people. It's not about saying, yeah, I ride this. It's about, do I actually enjoy riding this? Comfort, confidence, control. That starts to matter way more than horsepower. So here's the question. Are riders actually downgrading? Or are they just figuring out what they want? Because maybe, just maybe, bigger bikes were never the goal. We just thought they were. I want to hear from you. Would you ever consider downgrading your bike? Or are you still chasing bigger, faster, and more? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. Ride safe.